We're going to bring you a beautiful collection of spring lavenders. Purples, they're just really pretty. We start off with the Scuba. It's a cotton poly blend. Has stretch in both directions. Really pretty piece of fabric. Great sheath dress, jackets, what they're doing with these, and they're beautiful. And then this floral is just perfect for all the colors of spring. It's got your greens, a little bit of orange, but your lavenders, the purples. Isn't that pretty? It's an ITY. It just drapes lovely. Absolutely lovely. Really pretty. Goes with, really all of these kind of go with one another. Love this color. Great color, great drape. This has stretch in both directions. This has stretch in both directions. This has stretch in both directions. Isn't that pretty? Just a beautiful, beautiful drape. This is a cotton poly blend. They're all cotton polys, although mostly cotton. This one is mostly poly, the ITY. But this is like an ITY, but it has mostly cotton in it. And we have this beautiful netting. This would be so pretty for that top, the 123 44's dual wrap. It's beautiful. It's a netting. But you know, both sides are good. It's just really, really pretty. Beautiful pattern. Love how the purples are mixed with the blacks. This is almost 100% cotton. It's actually got a little bit of poly, but it's burning beautifully. It's great drape, very fluid, really pretty lavender color. You can see it kind of just goes with everything. Isn't that pretty together, those two? Just beautiful. But anyway, this has stretch in both directions also. Just very pretty. You could even do leggings with it. Then we have 100% cotton. This is shirting. Beautiful lavender and white stripe. And again, it goes with everything. So for today and tomorrow, for 2 days, we'll do everything at $12.99 and then they'll go up. All right, the goal is happy spring sewing with silhouette patterns.